How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove drum sound in Osu. So there's multiple ways to do this, but unfortunately, there isn't a direct way on how you can remove the drum sound entirely. So the first thing that I've suggest is that if your sound hit scan has that loud drum sound, we could basically turn that off on specific maps. So certain maps basically modifies the hit sound. So in that way, it will go ahead and actually increase the volume of drum sound and such. So what you want to do is to type hit sound right here, and then you could disable the beat map hit sound. So in that way, if certain map increases the drum hit sound, it will then simply disable that. And once again, this will not entirely remove the drum sound at all. And the second way, it will go ahead and remove it, but there's a cons with it. It will also remove other sources, so you have to keep that in mind. So what you want to do is to search for sound, and in here you then want to look for effect and just make sure that the effect is turned off. And you could also increase music, so in that way you won't miss out on the music at all. So by doing this, it will turn off hit sound, it will turn off those drums, etc. And so basically from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.